Hi guys, welcome to Random Time. This is just random videos. Well, today will be just like videos on my on just me doing stuff and me like giving shoutouts to people because yeah. First shout out goes to Rock and Roll Maniac, and then Jesus High. And then next would be Lizbeth Lowe, which is her. And then, I'm not sure who's my president. I forgot about that. I guess it's one or something. I don't really know. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, I have a lot right there. So yeah, I want you to add those people, and then this girl, Gamer Girl 123M. Who else? Yeah, by the way, she said hi to YouTube, which is Warped Tour at them, and I guess add her because she said hi to Green Bike Pow 300. Yeah. What has she done? I don't really know, but let's see. Um, oh yeah, he said hi too. Hashtag Cody. Didn't do anything, but you can add her if you want. She's bubble gummy there, I think. And yeah, so that's it for that. I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna make a face, like what my face would look like if I had VIP, which I'm getting. I'm getting VIP during Christmas, like at Christmas time. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I don't know if I like these lips or these lips. I think I like these lips there because I don't know, they're just more realistic. Imagine I actually put my lips to blue. That'd be crazy. But yeah, I like these colors. Like these ones are just neutral colors, or this color, or like red colors. I don't know. This color, like I said, I wouldn't wear this just because it's too dark. And then yeah, I like this color too. But this one's the one I like. This one and this one. So this one and yeah, I don't think this one. So that would be like my eyes and stuff. And then for like this, I wouldn't. It's like too much makeup. I'd pick either this one or a different one. I feel like this one. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing, guys, because I'm really bored. So that's why. Yeah. Oh yeah, she gave me an auto. Cool. Shout out to her. Oh wait, no, not an auto. I mean, she loved my looks. Yeah, I pick this. I pick everything black because it looks better in black than it does in those colors. I just personally think so. So that'd be my face. I don't think it would really do anything to my nose. Just keep it like that. Let me see. Please But yeah, I don't know if I would have that now. It's the exact same thing. But yeah, that's my face now. I don't know if I should change my eyes though, because I like those eyes too, but I like the other eyes better. Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see, because they both look nice, I guess. But you guys, if you saw the new upgrade thing that they have, it's weird. But right here, it's the old ones. But they have new eyes. Well, that'd be my face. But they have new eyes. Like, they look really weird. They look really weird. They're different. I don't like them that much. Because, I just don't. And then they have these ones. Different shapes and sizes. I guess this one's okay, but it's not that good. And I don't like any of them that much. I don't like these ones either. This one's just like, this can be just normal. You put it like that, except for this, how it's like, it looks like cat eyes. Anyways, it looks kind of cute, but like not in that kind of way, just like puppy dog cute or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm getting kind of bored, so I'm just gonna stop this now. But oh yeah, don't forget to add me. It's EvanXL, same as my YouTube. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe.